cursor be at where maybe you want to add page to this down part. Can you see? I'll make sure the cursor is at the place. Can you see? At this place. And if you want it to be up, just come to this place. Come to this place. Can you see? Can you see? Let me drag this down. I've dragged it down. Then there's space. I want it to be at the top like this. Now let me add image. I'll just click on that positive sign, then come to this place, image. Under the media, I'll click on image, then it will load. Because I've already uploaded an image before, if that's the one I want to use, I'll just click on what, media library. But if the image I want to use is not in my library, what I need to do is what, upload. Now let me click on media library. Now it will, can you see? Can you see? Now this is what I want. Select. Can you see? It will load. Can you see that it has loaded it? So that's how to add image. Then what? Click on update. Page updated. View page. Now let's view our page. Can you see? Can you see now? The about granted that was empty before. Can you see now? So it has something on it. So that is how to add content to our different pages. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Now I'll tell you how to add posts, which will be the final one. And after you have done that, there's nothing more again about a blogging website. That's just it. Since you know the category you are working with, just update your pages about us. Let them know what your blog is all about. Let them know how to contact you. You know how to add your content to those pages. Then you start what, posting your what, your news, your everything. Now come to this place, come to this dashboard, then click on post, add new. Want to add new post. We don't have any post before. Now what I just copied is still the same thing I'm going to post, because we don't have time to be typing anything now. But before I do that, let me just give you a secret I told you I'm going to tell you. Now the secret I'm going to tell you in this place is that if you are into a blogging website, you are a blogger, you do posts about news, about entertainment, and you know it's not all the time you don't have original copy of the content. It's either someone else have already posted it before you are going to post it on your what, on your blog. Now what you need to do is that to make it look original on your own blog, copy it from that website. After you copy it, just take your content, what you have copied, to rewritertools.com. Now click on copy it there and click on rewrite. It will load 100%. Then it will ask you to correct. It will highlight those places that those key points that need to be corrected. Now ask you to correct it with your own word. Then after you have corrected it, just copy it, post it on your blog. Then is very okay. Then another method you can use is when you have copied the content from the page, from maybe you copy from nigerialoaded.com, and you know nigerialoaded is very popular. Just go to Google Translator. Now first convert that English that you copy, convert it to Spanish. Copy from Spanish again, convert from Spanish to French. From French now, convert it back to English. Now there will be a little difference in it. Then just post it or paste it, anyone. Then what, you are good to go. Now let me add a post now, and I'll select the category. Now let's say I want it to be under entertainment. Let's say Wizkid and Davido. Latest album. Can you see? Now this is the topic of my post. Now what do I want to post about them? Now you know, if any post you see in any blog, it will have an image. Now you need to add image. Before anything, just click on this, and the image may be anywhere. You may write and still post image. You may post image before you write. So in which way you are doing that, just follow the step I taught you. Put your cursor in where you want it to be, then click on what, the positive sign, click on image, and select your image, upload or from media. Let me take from media, then click select. Now can you see? Then let me copy. I don't need caption. Then let me take it down, then copy down top it. Now this is my post. Now let's say this, and finally I want to cut it from this place. Okay, let's say and finally I want to cut it from this and finally, and still add image before it. So I told you it's not compulsory. Now let me cut. Now I want to add image. Let me just take it down. When I've taken it down, click on plus, then come to media, select my image again the same way, because we don't have time, so let's just use the one we are having on our media. Let's use this. Then still the same. Then it has been uploaded. Come down and what, paste the remaining content. Now that's all for what we want to post. We have had logo, we have had the title of our post. Now let's come to this place. These three dots at the right hand corner. So what do we need there? No, we do not need anything there. Just click it back, then click on the setting icon beside it. That's where we need to work. Now when we click on the setting icon, can you see the block is telling us if there is a drop cap. You know, if you are making use of Microsoft Word, you know what a drop cap is. Now the color, which color do you want your text to be? Let's say you want your text to be blue and you want your background to be red. Can you see? So that's it. That's that on that. You said, see, the color combination may be hard for people. Now let's change this to yellow. Maybe I'll try using a brighter. Let's use white. Okay, let's use black then. So they accept black. It's not that they will not accept it, they are just advising you. You understand? So advance, we don't need all this. Now go to the post, click on post beside the block. Now it will ask you, now can you see permalink? Now this permalink is what, how your post is going to appear, to people. Now what you need to do is go and change this. There's a place you are going to change this. I'll show you after this. Now let's just leave it like that. Now category, this is the main place you are going. Now this category is under what? Is under entertainment. Now click on the entertainment. Can you see? Do you want to tag anybody? Now let's click on tag. We write Davido, Wizkid, you can say Nigeria, artist. All those ones they are what? They are tag. It's just help people. Now this feature image is the image that show in front of your post before people even click it. Now set feature image. I'll show you what the feature image is. Now let's just set everything. Now we don't have anything again. So since we don't have anything, now this permalink, I'm coming back to it. I'll go and show you how to set our permalink, because this is not the best permalink to use. You understand? This is not the best one to use. Now let's just click. Now click on publish post. Can you see our post has been published? Now let's go to our let's visit our website. Now I'll show you what the feature image is, like I promised. Can you see? Now this is what we call, let's just click on this. I want it to load. No, there's a mistake there. Now let's go back. There's a setting we need to do. I will not touch. Let's go back to edit it. Now let's come to these settings. Now let's go down. This except. Okay. Did this discussion allow comment and other? Now the problem is with the themes. Now let's just go back. Let's just leave it like that. Now come to this place. this place. The problem is with the themes. On the norms, you should give us a place where we are going to click read more, so that it will take us to the main post. So that's why you be mindful of the templates you use. Now let's do some setting here. Now go to settings and click on permalink. Let's click on permalink. So I told you I'll show you what a permalink is. So you can see that it's very easy to create a blogging website. Just follow the necessary steps. So I just want to show you this quickly, and that's all for the blogging website. Now this is permalink. Now can you see, this is a plain one. This is the plain one they are using. We don't need the plain one. All we need is what? The post name. The post name. Can you see? So that's what we need. Click on it, then save change. It's only just click. Now before you do anything, before you create any post, you must make sure you have set all this. Now let's go back. So that's all. Let's go to reading. I think there's something there we need to do. Now this is our reading setting. Now can you see what I'm saying? The home page is the latest post. Now let's scroll down. Now this is what I'm saying. For each post in a feed, include full text. We don't need the full text. That's why it's showing what? Everything we type, we need except or except anyone. That's just it. Discourage search engine. No, we don't need to discourage search engine. Now save. Now look the different now. Look at the difference. So ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this training, of this tutorial, which is how to create a blog, how to create an entertainment website, a blogging website, be it a news website. Just select the themes that suit your work. You can go to WP Local, search a theme, search it very well, look for a theme that will fit your work very well. Then if the theme is too big to contain the WordPress dashboard, just go and install it through the cPanel. Then after you have installed it, customize your website, add your category, and start posting. Now let's go to view site and let's see the difference. It's still the same. That means the problem is from the template. Since I've changed it to what? To accept is supposed to have what? So it's supposed to have changed. So that is how to work. Let me change the theme first. Let me change the theme. I just want us to know this. Now let's change the theme. Let me click on add new. Now let me search a theme. There is a theme blog nano. So this is it, blog nano. Click on it, install. You can even make use of this. You should have made use of this before, but still the same. You follow the same process to do everything, to customize. Now we are not customizing. I've taught you how to customize. After it has activated, I'll just go and view the post to see how it's going to appear, so that we'll know the difference. So our template has been uploaded. It has been activated. Now visit site. Now can you see what I'm saying? This is what I'm saying. Can you see? Crown tag. This first image that is showing here. That's what we call feature image. Then can you see under the word, under entertainment, under the category? Then this is the topic. who posted it, Crown Tech. This is the date. Now to ask you what to read more. So that's it. Can you see? Even this one is even more beautiful. Can you see? It's very more beautiful. Can you see all the things, all the settings you have done that was not showing in the previous theme? Can you see that it's showing in this one? We have the Crown Tech. The tagline was not showing before. It's only the logo, and the logo was even small. Now let's check the menu. Now can you see now the menu have come to the top. You just know how you adjust it. Can you see now? Because I have one image here. Can you see? We have one image here, then we have one at the circle. Now you'll be thinking that this image are three. Now to avoid that, you don't need to add any image at the beginning of the post. So you just go to the feature image, add the image. Now any image in the feature image will be the one to appear at the first as the first place of your post. Can you see? So that's how to this is how to create a blogging website. Thank you. Now see the settings we did that time. The blue are under the black background. So can you see? So that's all for now. Thank you. Crown Tech.